So these birds haven't been called in, they just know the routine of, yep, about that time, should be time for food. There, you see now the cat trap work there. 2 birds dropped on and then just the flap falls down. The one's on there now, absolutely fine, the weight's okay. I do have quite a lot of cats around here. On touch wood so far, nothing's got in. And they just drop in. Straight in there. The floor stains. It's just been cleaned out this morning, or a loose clean, but it just stains, that's all. So it looks horrendous, but it's not, I can assure you. There might be a bit of dust on there, a bit of staining, but there's not like loads of dirt on the floor.